So here we have the Yurnomy shower head. And this is a filler that we got. It costs as much as the shower head, but I definitely recommend it. But this moves around. It's on a swivel. And also turns. Of course, you tighten this up so this arm doesn't move much. And you have a lever here that changes it from the handheld part, which is very powerful, if I might add, to about half and half down to the rainfall shower head. I would definitely recommend it. So if you're on the fence about this, I say just go for it. It does have a lot of different connections. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it has 5 different connections. I got to use it today and I was very happy with it.
Daddy, can I use this brush to just double Hey! Hey! This is magic!
So this is it on. That's the shower, and they're both on. As you can see, that I don't have that much pressure coming out when they're both on as well. I'm going to go ahead and try to put the pressure a little bit higher. So this is how it is. Completely shut off, and it's supposed to be both on. So with both of them on, the pressure's not good. When I put it on here, I have this to hold it. So without it, it'll fall, as you can see. So that's how it holds up.